Hello. It's about 1 o'clock. I'm just out for a drive. Not working today. Things are pretty much frozen up here in the mountains. But I just saw a waterfall that I'd never seen before, I never noticed before. So I'm going to try to film it. So my normal clear zoom is about 5 times. So this is already getting towards 7. There's 10. Very nice, huh? There's a YouTube channel I follow. I think it's called Waterfall Whisperer. I forget. But I forget the guy's name, but he's up here in the Northwest, and he does some amazing trekking to get to beautiful waterfalls. And then he uses the ropes and the helmets and the wetsuits, and it's really an amazing channel. I tried asking him if he carries bear spray or anything for protection. I don't think I got a comment. Wow, that's really pretty. Let's see if I can just go to 12 just for fun. I have the tripod and that little lens to try out for zooming, but I think my little tripod's at home, so I'd have to do all that. But that's pretty. You can see how it just continues to flow down. Wonderful. So this is where it got really rough in years past. This is the forest road to Dorothy Lake up in Skykomish. But now it's drivable. So I'm looking out because of the position of the sun shining right on these mountains. So it's good for filming. Oh, there's the water. It's kind of weaving its way. Oh yeah, that's a creek that connects to the main river there. You can kind of see it through the trees. Look carefully. All right. Well, it's a beautiful winter's day here. I've been watching a lot of my own videos from like summers and springs, and but now we're only 1/3 of the way through winter, so just got to keep embracing it. Nothing to complain about with experiences like this, that's for sure. Look at that. Nobody around, away from the crowds. I love that. Well, it's hard to tell on video, but this is a beautiful view of the water. So I just pulled over. Just for fun. Photographer's life. See a beautiful scene and you want to film it. Nature lover. Well, it's been several years and they still have not fixed this bridge. So I think it's 4 miles to the trailhead. Yep, cold out here last night. Way below freezing. So I wasn't really planning on going for a walk. But I kind of want to see a waterfall. And I got time, so. It looks so pretty in real life. It's a cool day. It looks like a pretty minor repair, but they haven't done it. Okay, time to go for a walk. It's almost 2 o'clock. I keep finding myself in this situation, huh? All alone, with nobody around. That's a good situation. Do you see a big cedar? Some hanging moss. Hey, I think I found a couple waterfalls. I've walked about a mile or so. There's another one up here. I think that's a waterfall. It might be frozen, huh? I don't see it moving. Wow. Well, I remember in years past, I used to be able to pull my car over. I think it was right here. It had a beautiful view of the water. You have to look carefully, but it's here. And this mountain has a lot of waterfalls, but I think they're all frozen right now. Because in years past, I remember pulling over here and there's a beautiful waterfall. Well, I guess I'm going to keep walking. I'm having fun. Definitely feeling the solitude and the winter beauty. So I think I found the waterfall that I saw in years past. I think it was this one right here. I remember it flowing beautifully over those rocks. I like it. I find that to be artistic. Well, I'm turning around now. Some pretty water droplets on those bushes. Some more natural art here. Down tree. Simple as that. Pretty neat, huh? Nature's so cool. Cool, is that the right word? I should say beautiful. Nature's so beautiful. More art. I just find that to be artistic. Beautiful. Hello, people. Happy winter to you. Hope you're enjoying your winter. So I'm back at my truck. Gonna have some coffee, Folgers coffee. I thought it was dark roast, but it's just regular classic roast. But I like it, surprisingly. And I put in dry cream. Probably cancer-causing dry cream, but you know, I'm not that healthy. And I'm gonna warm up an apple pie. So I'm just relaxing here after that stroll. Nice and chilly out. It's my view. And I got the stuff going. I got some coffee in here. This is one of those cups I got, I think, at the dollar store or the Goodwill. It might have been the dollar store. $1.25. So, yeah, life is great. Okay, the coffee turned out good. And I turned over my apple pie, so I browned it on top now. I'm just trying to warm it up. So this is the end of the video. Catch you next time. Take care and all that good stuff.